How's it going, everyone? I'm Andy Knoy with SpeedTech Lights. We're out here today with Billy from Total Appearance. We've got a project going on for Stake Center locating. We've got about 100 trucks here with our K-Force Micro 14-inch TIR. But what do you guys do here at Total Appearance?
We're a complete accessory store. We do a lot of fleet dealerships, and lighting is a big part of our business.
Cool, that's awesome. Well, yeah, I mean, what do you think about the new K-Force Micro 14-inch?
I tell you, it's brighter, seems to be brighter, and our customer base loves the brightness of the product. We needed to fill an order, a big order, quick.
Perfect, and turnaround time was fast?
Turnaround time was outstanding.
So the goal of this is to really connect with our customers. I think we've done a really good job of listening to our customers' feedback and implementing some really great ideas into our products. But it's one thing to listen, it's much more effective to actually experience it. And that's the overall purpose of this, is to really get out there on the front lines and see firsthand what we can do to make our products even better than they already are.